everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I am really excited to swatch the Colourpop Luxe lipsticks. I'm a huge fan of Colourpop. They are super affordable brand and you can pick these up at your local Ulta like I did. I just picked up all the shades that they had and and did the lip swatch. We're going back and we're gonna do a normal arm swatch too. I am so sorry about that, guys. I was just so excited for this shade. I just jumped onto my lips instead of doing an arm swatch. So I just wanted to include it for consistency. I just love vampy shades if you can't tell. Let's go in the correct order and swatch a layover. Ooh, actually, I really like layover a lot. Let's just see how it is on the lips just to confirm. I like how it looks on the arm. It's kind of more dusty rose than like nude from what it looks like. Wait, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Yes. I really like this shade too. True life, I'm addicted to lipstick. This is a great shade. Next shade we have is On Display. This looks like a very nice true red. Let's not get too excited and just jump to the lips. Let's just go right here. Kind of looks more like a pink than a red, but that could just be the lighting in this room. This is a nice shade. I like this. Pro tip, don't talk and put on lipstick. I really like this. It's a good red. I love just a nice red lipstick. My go-tos, vampy colors, bright reds, and now dusty roses and wows. The next shade we have is What If. That's a nice fuchsia color. I really don't wear many fuchsia shades, but it could change. I know it seems a little bit bright, but we'll see. Change could be happening. For the shade ranges I gravitate towards. That's not that bad. It's not like super overwhelmingly bright. I could get used to this. It matches my eye look. The next shade we have is Still Crazy. Ooh, hell yeah. This looks like a nice mauve shade. Let's add it to the fam. Okay. Lips turn. Yes, ma'am. These have like become my favorite shades. So pretty. I think this is like my favorite shade so far. Sorry, my favorite reds and vampy shade, but it's so good. I thought LA Lady was going to be like my favorite shade, but I'm sorry. Still Crazy is, and I'm so crazy about it. Okay, and then the last shade we have is Appy. Oh, so mine has a busted tip. I'm kind of sad about that, but it does look a little light, but we'll still try it. Oh, I think this whole lipstick is busted. I kind of like it. It's not overwhelmingly bright. It looks brighter than how it's swatched. Oh, never mind. For my skin tone, this isn't like an ideal nude. It's a little too bright. But if this looks like it could work with your skin tone, definitely try it. Hi, I have no lips. That's just what I feel like I look like right now. But it's okay, not everything's gonna work out for everyone. So overall, I love all of the shades except for On Repeat and Appy. On Repeat was just a little too orange for my liking, and Appy just made my lips disappear. The rest of the shades really worked out for me. I really love them. Still Crazy was definitely my favorite shade because those have just been my go-to shades recently. And then Hello Stranger, like I just have a soft spot in my heart for vampy shades because those have been like my OG shades from the start. Clearly doing this video, I got super pumped when I pulled that one out of the box and was like, yes, we are skipping the swatch. We're just gonna go into it. These Colourpop lipsticks are super affordable. I believe they're like $7.50 at Ulta, and I picked up all the shades that they had at my Ulta. They only had these 8. On Colourpop's website, they have so many more, so definitely check those out too. This formula is super creamy, super hydrating. I think they have a matte version too, and they just released some powdered ones. I'm not sure how those work out. I had a really good experience with these. I love the satin feel, especially for wintertime because it is a little cold out and my face and my lips are screaming, I need hydration, like SpongeBob needs when he needs water. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy lip swatch videos, Colourpop. Comment below what your favorite shade was, what other Colourpop products you recommend. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.